Hey guys, so today I'm going to install this. This is nothing but a switch which replaces the current headlight switch. Basically, it replaces this switch, and that is basically, you have a menu function here, but on this you have a pass light function which doubles up as a menu button when the ignition is off. So watch the time lapse and check out the detailed installation video. Also, the full video will be coming soon on YouTube, so stay tuned to that. So basically we have removed this panel and this panel. This is held by two screws and two pins. This is held by two screws, Allen bolts, and all locking system. Be careful while opening the locking system. Now I'll be removing this whole switch unit, disconnecting these two. So if you can hear, the engine is running, and you can see the pass light is flashing. All the lights are off. Also the DRLs are on with the pass, the low beam with the pass, and your normal high beam. You can see the menu button is changing the mode. So once the engine is on, the menu button becomes a flashlight. So the install is complete, guys. Everything is flush, neat, and this looks very much as original.